The popularity of home security cameras has increased dramatically in the last decade, mainly due to the advancement of technology and affordability. While some homeowners may engage the services of a professional installer, many homeowners are self-installing, as they can purchase the security cameras online easily. However, self-installation often comes with problems and mistakes that may frustrate your installation experience. Here are 6 home surveillance cameras installation mistakes you should avoid. 1. Infrared cameras. Installing infrared cameras at the wrong places will greatly diminish its image quality during night recordings. Do not place the infrared cameras directly in front of a light source, or in places where the infrared beams do not have a line of sight. 2. Unstable surfaces. Do not attach a camera to any unstable surfaces, such as on top of a gutter. The weight of the camera will cause additional stress on your gutter system in the long run. Unstable surfaces will also cause your camera to collapse or misaligned in due time. 3. Strategic locations. Many homeowners are not aware of the right places to install their cameras, and ended up installing them in the wrong places. Have a walk around your home to identify the strategic locations before starting your installation. 4. Wireless systems. Although a wireless camera system does not need you to run cables from the cameras to the recording device, you will still need to have a power source beside, or in close proximity to the camera. 5. Wired system. Do not overextend your camera cables, to prevent a drop in image quality and to avoid interference. Standard quality camera cables can usually maintain the image quality up to 100 meters. Avoid using low-quality cables, which has a short lifespan, as well as poor image quality. 6. Outdoor cameras. Do not install non-weatherproof camera outdoors. For outdoors, always use a camera that has a rating of IP67, to keep the rain and dust out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more home safety and security tips.